Hello, and welcome to Unibot X. In this video, we will walk through how to use the search bar and leverage your watch list. To start, search for a token using the contract address, token name, or ticker. You can add directly from the search function to your watch list by clicking on the star icon. Basic info is always visible in your watch list, like price and price change, to enable quick insight for trading and research. Next, let's add tokens from the Deck Screener Trends tab. To do so, click on the star icon in the Deck Screener panel to add the token to your watch list. Let's jump to your watch list and look at the tokens we just added. You will notice two sections, Main and Degenerate. You can organize your watch list with a simple drag and drop. Your watch list gives you quick access to the chart to keep your workflow as efficient as possible. To remove a token from your watch list, just click on the blue star icon. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for a new Unibot X tutorial.